Light, Class 7th, Chapter 15, 5th part. Children, the topic is refraction of light. Up to now, we have studied light travels in a straight line at a uniform speed, and the plane, spherical, or polished surface reflects light in a regular way. But what happens when there is a change in the medium? As for example, light falling from air to surface of water or from air to a piece of glass. Strange visual effects are produced, bringing about changes in the speed and direction of light. As the medium of the light changes, so the speed of the light and direction of the light also changes. So, very strange visual effects are produced. Very little of the light incident on the surface of the clear glass or water is reflected back. When light travels from one medium to another, it changes its path, or we can say it bend. This bending of light, this is called refraction of light. Activity 6. Aim is to observe the changes in speed and change in direction of light when light enters from one medium to another medium. For this activity, materials required: glass, water, milk, dark room and torch. Procedure: first of all, fill a glass with water. Add a little milk to make it cloudy. In a darkened room, switch on the torch. Shine the beam of light from the top to bottom at an angle of 45 degrees on the surface of water. Now observation, you will notice that some light entering the water with its path slightly bent from its straight line path. Now fill the glass with clean water. Put a stick in the glass at an angle of 45 degree. The stick seems to be broken and bent at the point where it enters the water. So conclusion, from this activity we conclude, when light passes from air to water and usually from one transparent medium to another, it changes its speed, which each turn causes a change in direction, and we call this refraction. This can make an object appear to be in different position to where it really is. Understanding refraction. Refraction can be explained in terms of change in the speed of light and its direction when it passes from one transparent medium to another. When a ray of light passes from a less dense medium, for example air, into a more optically denser medium, for example water, then it bends towards the normal as its speed decreases. Its speed decreases, it is less in water. Now, conversely, when a ray of light passes from denser medium, means water, to a less dense medium like air, then it bends away from the normal as its speed increases. When the speed increases on entering in the second media, then it bends away from the normal, and when the speed decreases on entering the second media, then it bends towards the normal. Children, in the pic you are able to understand this. Now, seas, lakes, and rivers often appear less deep than they really are. This is only because of refraction. Refraction makes their bottom seem nearer, and you only have to try picking up an object from under the water to realize that it is always a little deeper than we think. And for this reason, fishermen who use harpoon never aim at fish where their eyes see them, but at a point which lower in water. So this phenomena is only due to refraction. Dispersion of light. What is the color of light? Why do soap bubbles appear colorful in bright light? When you are blowing bubbles from the soap solution in the bright light, then they appear colorful. And why do you see many colors reflecting from the shining surface of CD? When the CD you are placing in the sunlight, then you get many colors are coming out reflecting from that CD. And the chandelier drops crystal, when they catch light, they cast rainbow on the wall. This is because the sunlight, which we call as white light, is composed of many colors. When these colors combine, they look white. One way of showing that white light is composed of different color is to make it pass through an equilateral glass prism. It is seen that sunlight after passing through the prism split up into 7 colors in a perfect sequence, with violet towards the base of the prism, followed by indigo, blue, green and yellow, orange and red. This splitting or separation of white light into its component colors is called dispersion. Children, dispersion, this is the process of splitting or separation of white light into its component color, and the elongated colored patch of light which is formed through the prism with its 7 color. So this pattern is called spectrum, and the spectrum visible to human eye and its constituent color, these are shown in the figure 15.20. These color are Vibgyor, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Now come to the explore. Why does dispersion occur? When light is made to pass through prism, the light of different colors travels with different speed. The red light travels the fastest, thus bending the least, while violet light is the slowest, so bending the most. Now, red color, this is used as symbol for danger. Children, I think you have seen a rainbow in the sky. We can see rainbow after a rain, and they are formed when sunlight passes through small drops of water in the air. These tiny drops of water suspended in the air after the rain, so they work as tiny prism. As each one is struck by the light, they reflect and refract, breaking the light into 7 colors of the spectrum. So after the rainfall, when the sun shines again, then we are able to see rainbow. How do we see color? There are special cells in our eyes, rod and cones on the retina. In our retina of the eyes, rod cells and cone cells are present. And as we know, sunlight is composed of 7 colors. Some colors are absorbed by objects and the rest are reflected. The color of the reflected light gives the object its color. For example, a red rose reflects back to our eyes only the red color and absorbs the rest. A white rose reflects back all the colors, which comes back as white light to the eyes. Hence, we see it as white. A black cloth looks black because it does not reflect to our eyes any color. Recombinations of colors of the spectrum. Newton's color disk. The 7 colors of the spectrum can be recombined to form white light with the help of Newton's colors disk. Now, our activity 7, to see the recombination of 7 colors of the spectrum into white light. For this activity, materials required: white cardboard, compass, protractor, 7 colors in the Vibgyor sequence and a pencil. Procedure: take a piece of white cardboard and set the compass at 5 cm radius, and to draw a 10 cm diameter circle on the cardboard. Now cut out the circle. Using the protractor, divide the cardboard circle into 7 equal sections, with each section being 51 degree. Color the section in the order of Vibgyor. Now thread a pencil through the center of the circle with the point at the bottom. Now spin the disc. Observation: you will see the While the top is spinning at a high speed, our eyes are unable to see the colors separately and the circle seems almost white. This is because with fast rotation of the disc, all the seven colors which you have used become mixed together and resulting in a whitish color. Now conclusion, when the seven colors of the spectrum combine, then the white light is produced.